Welcome back, Vision is Victory family. I got another message for y'all today. It's really on my heart, man. Don't quit. Do not quit. Don't you quit. Do not give up on yourself. I'm so proud of you. You don't even know how proud I am of you. You getting out the bed when you know you can't get out the bed. I'm proud. You still going to the job that you don't want to go to because you know you have a family to provide for. I am proud of you. And you know, with that strength, that means you can do anything. That means you can do anything. Imagine doing the things that you truly want to do, okay? It may take time. It may take longer than you want it to be, but slow motion is better than no motion, and I stand behind that. And guys, I just want to say to you guys a quote that I live by, that I read every morning. So I'm going to read it to you guys, all right? Don't quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile, but you have to sigh. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but do not quit. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns, and many a failure turns about. When you might have won, have you just stuck it out? Don't give up. Though the pace seems slow, you may succeed with another blow. Success is failure turned inside out. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seem worst, you must not quit. Believe in a vision before it's ever validated, and understand you must not quit because you don't know how close you are, and also you don't know, also you are much farther than you once were. Keep fighting, guys.